Today we have the AC controls from a 1990 GMC Sierra 2500 pickup truck. We have no display and some of the backlighting is out. And we're going to show you how to take care of both these problems and what other things you may look at. This is going to take a 1/4-inch drive to 3 screws on the back of this unit. We have many do-it-yourself repair videos and removal guides on our website, carstereoremoval.com. See our website if you need other help. With these 3 screws removed, we're going to take at the back, the connector protrudes from the opening here, and we're going to push on this little connector, and in turn that helps push the face and release the cover that secures this. Now if you notice closely, there are grooves cut here in the sides of the panel, so the circuit board will basically fit in only one way and stand in there. The second is there's a connector across the front here, and it's a push-in connector. So we're going to try and wiggle this board off real slightly because there is no protection on these pins, and you got to pull it straight off. The reason being there's about 16 pins, and they have to line up when they go back into the opening here. But make sure you don't put any pressure on these to bend these. They'll line back up pretty quickly. But the main problem with the display not working on this unit is usually taking a look at what components have the most heat with them. And we have a transistor here on the side with a heat sink. We're going to take a look at the solder connections, 5 here for this one, to make sure that they're in good shape. I can see some rings and so on. We're also going to take a look at the resistor here, 47 ohm resistor, and see how that looks. We can take a closer look at the solder on this, and let's see what we can come up with here. We have at the resistor that sits here on the back of the board, on the side of the board. If you look closely at the 2 solder connections, one right here seems to have a little ring around it. The same with the one right over here. Now, also getting back to the main transistor, we're going to take a look at those 5 solder connections here as well. These solder connections should be able to be resoldered as well. These are usually the culprits for the no display or the display not working. For the part of the unit where the backlighting is not working, we are going to move to the front panel here. There are 3 bulbs here across this panel. The dealership can usually sell these bulbs, but they're 12-volt bulbs, and what you do is you twist them 1/4 turn and release them, twist them a 1/4 turn and release them. This goes for all 3 lamps on here. Now, like I said, these lamps are available probably through the dealership somewhere about $10 a piece. But we have also noticed that we have a replacement lamp here that is wired with 2 wires on it. And we can take our pick tool to the edges of this base here, or the edge of our screwdriver, and try and lift the connector. This usually releases the wire. You can pull this wire right up and around, and then you can release this bulb out of the base and wire in a new one just the same way this one came in. There we go. One side is up, so you can pull the bulb through. Repeat this for all 3 bulbs. That will take care of the backlighting for the buttons and so on, and for the display lighting up. We took care of the poor solder on this board as well. If you find this helpful, thumbs up is good. If you have comments, that is good. But if you have questions, email us or give us a call. Hope this video has been helpful. Please subscribe, and thank you for watching.